At first light on MapleHollow, Farmer Joe greets the day with coffee and a chorus of hens, goats, and a trampoline-loving pig. Crops are tended, irrigation fixed, and a clockwork coop joke keeps everyone smiling as a curious calf poses for a selfie. Then a sudden rain floods the rows, turning soggy soil into a patient lesson in teamwork and resilience. Evening brings tiny triumphs as a stubborn seed finally sprouts while Joe shares lessons with visitors, mixing science and humor. The day ends with a warm chorus of animals and neighbors, proof that farming blends grit with everyday wonder.